paste tool in 3D Coat's Paint Workspace is rather simple and straightforward, yet it has an advantage or two of its own. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm going to try and fix this visible seam here, or visible edge, by just copying and pasting from one area of the layer to another. So let me just hit Control C, and 3D Coat is going to capture everything that's beneath the brush. At this point, whatever I have copied to the clipboard, I can actually save to a proprietary file of 3D Coat, and I can reload it later on in this scene or any other scene. So let's go ahead and choose a different brush alpha here. And now I can hit the hotkey combination for paste, which is Control V. And you can see I can quickly blend that out. I can even reduce my brush size. So in some ways you could view this as just another way of applying kind of a clone stamp tool. I see another visible seam here, so I could just keep using this. Alright, so let's look at another application here. I'll increase the brush size by right-clicking and dragging. And I'll hit Control C. And I can even go to another layer and paste that in. Now, instead of pasting the very same thing, I can actually modulate what I've copied through a brush alpha. So let's try something like reptile scales. So I can hit Control V, and now it's not only captured all the information from the depth channel here as well as the color, but it's pasted it through this brush alpha. So it's essentially combining both. I can reduce my brush size. And so on. So let's try a different one here. Let's try maybe kind of an elephant skin. And you see how that works. Very, very straightforward. Now, I want to mention something else while I'm at it, and that is this does not work with a 2D texture editor. Now, you can try and try, but it does not work. As the tooltip indicates, you copy and paste parts of a surface. So it's essentially sampling the model. I'm not sure why it doesn't work in a 2D texture editor. I'm sure Andrew could enable it to do so, but for whatever reason, as of this recording, it does not. But just keep that in mind. So that is the copy paste tool in 3D Coat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.